Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Today we will see how we can install Turbo C++ in Linux machines. So without wasting time, let's get started. First we need to install Dosbox to run Turbo C++ in Linux machine. For that open terminal, then type sudo apt install Dosbox, then click on enter, then enter your valid password. Then click on enter. Once the installation completed, type sudo apt update, then click on enter. Now Dosbox is successfully installed in your machine. Now we need to install Turbo C++. For that, open any browser and copy the link from the description and paste it in your browser. Once you open the browser, open that link, your download will automatically begin. Once download is completed, open the whole folder where you have downloaded, then right click on the zip file, then click on extract here, then copy the extracted file and paste it in your home directory. Now open the Dosbox which you have installed. Now follow the commands which I will type to install Turbo C++ in home directory. Now click on enter. Now change the drive A to C. Click on enter. Now go to start installation, then click on enter. Once you click on enter, your installation of Turbo C++ will begin. It will take some time to install. Now the installation is completed. Click on enter. Now click on escape key. Now close the Dosbox and open file manager. In your home directory, you can see the folder named TC. This is where Turbo C++ is installed on your machine. You need to open this folder through Dosbox. So open your Dosbox. Now follow the commands to open the Turbo C++ which you have downloaded. Now click on Alt and Enter simultaneously to enter into full screen. Now I will show one small program how you can run C or C++ program in your Turbo C++ software which you have installed in your machine. So that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, please leave a comment.